welcome to Very Vegan with Terry. I am Terry. I am so glad you're here. Welcome back. Welcome if you are new. Today we're going to be doing a bacon type substitute. We're going to do smoky mushrooms. You can use these mushrooms in any dish that you would normally use bacon bits in. So think top of a macaroni, or you can put them in a salad. You can make a mushroom, lettuce, and tomato sandwich. Just anywhere that you would use those tiny little pieces of bacon in. And you know, I can't eat bacon. It doesn't agree with me, but I love these. So let's get started. Okay, we're gonna make this on the stove. And we're gonna start with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of liquid smoke. Liquid smoke gives it that smoky flavor. Obviously, that's why they call it liquid smoke. And 1 tablespoon of liquid aminos. Liquid aminos is just a gluten-free reduced salt soy sauce. And then we have 1/8 of a teaspoon of pepper. I am just going to mix this up together in my skillet. It should take like 2 seconds. And then I'm going to add a pound of mushrooms. These are sliced, and a pound is generally 2 of those little packets you get from the grocery store. You can use any type of mushroom you like. These are baby bellas because that's what I like. You can also use cremini. You can use white mushrooms, whatever, it doesn't matter, whatever you like. Okay, get that last little goody mushroom out there. All right, you want to just mix it until everything's coated. And this is going to cook for about 10 minutes. You want to make sure that the liquid is evaporated from the sauce and also from the mushrooms, but you want to make sure the mushrooms are still tender. So about 10 minutes or so. Okay, you can see that the mushrooms are starting to add to the liquid in the pan. So we're just going to keep cooking it until that liquid's gone. All right, we are finally there. There's still some liquid in the pan, but it's, for the most part, it's gone. So, don't know if you can see this. I know you can see it from here. And that's it. Use this, like I said, anywhere that you would use bacon bits. On top of your salads, on top of macaroni. You can make a mushroom and lettuce and tomato sandwich, whatever you want to do. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to be notified of future videos. Thank you. Have a great day, and may you know the love of Jesus Christ.